In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in an Excel spreadsheet to protect them from being overwritten. Let's jump right into it. As you can see, we have some data in this table representing sales made by several individuals. Our goal here is to keep the cells containing sales data unlocked for editing. This means people can input their values in these specific cells. However, we want to lock the other cells containing additional details, making them read-only or non-editable. And this is precisely how we can achieve this. We need to start by checking the option that allows us to lock all the cells in the sheet. To do that, click on the top left-hand corner of your spreadsheet. This action will highlight the entire sheet. Once that's done, right-click and find the Format Cells option. A pop-up window should now appear. Navigate to the Protection tab and check whether the locked option is selected. This ensures that all the cells in the sheet can potentially be locked. Click on OK and let's move on to the next step. Now it's time to select those cells that we do not wish to lock. These are the cells where other users will be able to input their data. After you've selected these cells, right-click again and choose the Format Cells option once more. For these particular cells, you'll need to untick the locked box. This step ensures that these cells remain editable, allowing others to enter their data as needed. Once you've done that, confirm your selections by clicking the OK button again. Essentially, what we've accomplished with these two steps is to instruct Excel first to lock all the cells in the spreadsheet, then specify which cells should remain unlocked and editable. Now we're ready for the third and final step, where the magic happens. To activate the protection you've just set, you'll need to enable the Protect Sheet function. Head over to the Review tab and click the Protect Sheet button. For added security, you're given the option to set up a password. For this demonstration, I'm going to skip setting a password and simply click OK to confirm. And there you have it. The spreadsheet is now protected with the cells designated as editable or read-only. Let's double-check. The cells meant for sales data can indeed be edited. Meanwhile, the formulas, the rest of the table, all the months, and the names have been locked, set up as read-only, ensuring that no one can accidentally override the information within them. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to watch more videos that assist you in using Excel more quickly and easily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.